Get the most out of your workstation with two ultra-high-def monitors. Plug them in with the USB-C Universal DV 4K docking station with power, which is Thunderbolt 3 compatible and supports both DisplayPort and HDMI, and has 4 USB 3.0 ports for workstation essentials like a mice and keyboard. 2 DisplayPort, DP1, 2A, and 2 HDMI, HDMI 2.0 ports support dual 4K Ultra HD monitors. Power delivery 2.0 provides up to 60W charging. 1 USB-C device port, USB 3.0 data only. Thunderbolt 3 compatible. 1 Gigabit Ethernet port. 4 USB 3.0 ports for the latest peripherals. 1 fast device charging port. 1 3.5 mm combo audio in, out for mics, speakers, and earphones. Includes 1 meter USB-C to C host cable, detachable. Ergonomic wedge design for comfortable typing. Integrated lock slot accommodates industry standard security locks. Top reviews from the United States. Compatible with M1 Mac. I've heard Mac users struggle buying a docking station, but this was an easy sit-up and has been very helpful for dual monitors.